Hey guys, your girl's back. So we are in the car getting ready to head over to Saints Sky Bar and Grill, something, I don't know, whatever. But we're gonna go and watch the game. Kentucky is playing North Carolina today. This is the CBS Sports Classic and the CBS Sports Classic. So what, 2 years ago? We went out to Vegas and watched it. If you missed that one, don't worry. I will insert a card up here where you can check that video out. And we won. It was the most exciting game ever. Like, so exciting. So I'm hoping we can have a repeat today. We just won't be there. But, because I think they're in Chicago today. But we won't be there. Too close to Christmas to be traveling, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, so we're going to be with family, friends. We got a really large party today. I mean, what, we about 15 people deep today? So we're going super early so that we can try to get a table to accommodate our large party today. Yeah. Alright, so other than that, not a lot going on. The game comes on in a couple of hours. So I guess we'll sit down, have some snacks, maybe have a drink. I don't know if the husband's gonna let me get a drink or not, but I'm gonna try to get one. And we'll see y'all later. Bye!
I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed to slide. We got into a drifted bag, and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to...
Hey guys, we just got to Saints. We're getting ready to walk in. I think all of our friends and family are already here, so you can just follow along because it's going to be a great day. Alright, here we go. We're here supporting Big Blue Country. There's Bill. Say what up, Brayden. Say what up, YouTube. That's right. See, y'all don't even have to tell him. He already knows. What up, Bryce? Daddy Bob. So we're in Saints. I'm enjoying an adult beverage, even though I'm not supposed to, but I had to have one, you know what I'm saying? And then the game will be on shortly. So yeah, here, Justin over there hanging out. Alright guys, I know you probably can't see us very well, but we just left from watching the game. Stopped at Starbucks. Got a little snacky snack. And got my favorite medicine ball. So excited, Justin got a T2. So guys, we're making progress. Got Justin to get a Starbucks. Yeah! Justin, what are you eating?
I don't know, but it's good.
So yeah, so we won! We beat North Carolina! So that was like an awesome game. They played their tails off, y'all. That's probably the best they've looked all season, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a good game. So, another big game next weekend. So hopefully they keep this up, keep the momentum going. And we have another W next weekend. But alright, we're getting ready to head home, chill out for a little bit, maybe watch another movie. We watched a good movie last night. So we tried to watch, what is it, The Mule, the new one with Clint Eastwood on the Fire Stick last night, but it wasn't until we were about 30-45 minutes into it that we realized that it was an older version, I guess the original version of The Mule. We still watched it and it was actually pretty good, but maybe we'll try to find the new one tonight, or maybe another movie that we can find to watch tonight. Sorry, I was hungry. We'll find another one tonight that we can watch, and then we'll go to bed. Got a fun day tomorrow. Going to a new church tomorrow with some friends. So, yeah, I'm gonna take y'all to church with me tomorrow. Alright, y'all, well that is it. We're getting ready to head home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. Alright guys, see you tomorrow.
Riding a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.